It tastes like biting into sand.
Like.
No, I don't like any.
Masih.
Jesus Christ. Hi, Dara.
Hi. Hi, Val. Before we start, we would like for you guys to take off your mask, and we're just gonna give you some hand sanitizer.
Thank you.
No worries.
Thank you.
Very
Okay.
excited.
Your sanitizers.
Oh, okay. Sanitizer is ready. Nice.
Protocol number 1.
Protocol number 1, definitely.
Okay, hi guys.
Hello.
How are you?
We're good. Excited. Very excited.
Do you guys know what you're gonna do today?
Not really.
Yes, more or less.
Now I'm ready to eat.
So basically today, you're going to try Indonesian snacks and we will compare them to Australian snacks.
Oh,
So are you guys excited?
very excited. I've never tried a lot of Australian snacks, but
Yes.
you know,
I've missed Indonesian.
I've
foods.
missed Indonesian.
Oh,
Yes.
I see. Okay, before we start, do you mind introducing yourself?
Okay, hello, my name is Igor and this is...
My name's Rafi. Hello.
So hi, I'm Dara.
Hi, I'm Bella.
Hi, I'm Gerald. I'm Ivan.
The first snacks that you guys will try is pavlova
huge-
versus trambulan.
Thank you.
So pavlova is actually from Australia and is a meringue-based dessert named after the Russian ballerina, and her name is Anna Pavlova.
Just by the looks of it, it looks very different to each other.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I guess you can tell which one's the Australian snack and which one's the Indonesian one. So,
Let's dig in.
let's dig in. We'll try the pavlova first. It's sweet, but then it's also bland at the same time. I don't know why.
Too sweet.
Too sweet, I guess.
It's so spongy though.
Yeah,
It's like
it's
digging into
dripping
whipped cream.
too. Yeah, it's so pretty.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Makan dulu.
I hate that. I hate that.
Let's just try
Cream, right?
This is cream.
It's so sweet.
I like it. In terms of taste, this is something that she would like because it's sweet. And Bella
Yeah, maybe
likes
it's just the
sweet things.
texture. Yeah, it's probably the texture that I don't like because
Like-
it's actually like sand.
It's too sweet.
It is really sweet. It's just sugar, I think. You know?
Yeah.
There's no flour. There's no like
I
cake.
don't really like it.
Tastes pretty bad.
Do you need help? It's a bit too big for me, I think.
It's been like months.
Let me.
So good.
You can taste the Indonesian right away. It feels like home.
And then the thing is, in Indonesia, from what I remember, is that usually it's more buttery than this.
True. I was just gonna say.
Yeah, mm-mm.
No, but it tastes dry.
Yeah,
It's not very.
dry.
There's no oil, right?
Yeah.
Normally, normal martabak, there's like it's just a sponge
Normally
oil.
it's just smeared with
yeah,
butter, right?
like you can just squeeze it and like
Yeah.
all the oil comes out.
Before we go to the next snacks, like which snacks do you guys like the most?
This one, probably this one.
How about Gerald?
Yeah, I like this one better.
I think it's obvious from our statement. This one, hands down, way better.
Okay, the next snacks that you guys will try is Lamington versus Klopon.
Ooh, you know I haven't had Klopon in so long.
My dad really likes this.
My mom really likes it.
Ooh, Lamington versus Klopon. Oh, compared
looks
to like
similar.
this, yeah, it looks similar.
This is what?
Lamington.
What's a lamington?
So Lamington is basically an Australian cake made from squares of butter cake or sponge cake, coated in an outer layer of chocolate sauce and rolled in desiccated coconut.
Let's try it.
Let's give this a try. Yeah. Ooh. The inside is white. Didn't expect this. It tastes really nice.
Oh, you know it looks so similar, like visual wise, right? What is it? What am I eating?
I like it. Tastes really good.
Oh.
My hands are clean. Be sanitized.
Yeah, I usually eat with my hands
Careful,
anyways.
it will explode.
I like Klopon though.
Wow, that exploded in my mouth.
Oh!
On first glance, it kind of tastes similar due to the like I guess the
Coconut?
the coconut. But I guess the what do you call it, like the syrup that's inside.
Mhm.
I think that brings another taste entirely.
They look really similar, but
Yeah,
it's
they-
different.
I like this better because it surprises you.
I think I like this one better. I like this Australian
Oh.
snack better.
But obviously, in the end, I'll probably pick this one. It's a better one.
I'll go with this.
Oh, okay, definitely.
But I like Klopon better. Which one did you like better?
I have to be really honest. I like this one better.
Let's try the third snack. It is a Anzac cookies.
Ooh, cookies.
Snow White cookies.
Snow White cookies. Oh.
Thank you.
Oh! Putri Salju, right?
Yeah! Wow! You got this in Australia.
What's this?
It's a Snow White cookies, and the other one is Anzac cookies.
Snow White. Oh.
About Anzac biscuits, it's long been associated with the Australian and New Zealand Army Corps. It has been claimed that biscuits were sent by wives to soldiers abroad because the ingredients do not spoil easily and the biscuits kept well during naval transportation.
Makan dulu. I really like it.
No, it's still the Klopon.
Yeah, take your time.
It's very dry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't really like the texture too much.
It tastes grainy, like
Yeah, it tastes very grainy. Like oatmeal. Yeah, exactly. Like oatmeal.
Again, the texture is so weird.
It's not that hard. You're exaggerating.
I can't taste anything.
Let's try this.
Let's try this one then. Ooh. It's sweet. There's lots of sugar in it.
I think I've never eaten this before.
Really?
This tastes exactly like the ones back home.
Alright, moving on. This also doesn't taste like anything. Doesn't taste like anything.
No, this one's sweeter, right?
Yeah, but like,
To be honest, I don't.
Yeah,
I'm not really a
yeah.
fan of both.
Not really a fan of one, but if I have to choose one, I'll probably pick. It's probably still this one. It just has more taste compared to this
I
one.
think I'm making this.
Oh, really? Ooh.
alright. Taste. It's a tie. Yeah, they both taste bland, in a way.
We're gonna try
Oh, chips?
the chips, yes.
Oh,
Smith versus cassava chips.
cassava chips. Oh.
That's spicy.
Chips, let's go.
Cassava chips.
Should we do the love shot? You want to try another one? Let's go.
I expect a lot more taste, to be
Me
honest.
too.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it. It's less salty than this one.
Yeah, tastes way better.
So yeah, basically, Smiths.
I like the cassava chips. They're pretty good.
Cassava chips.
I like this one.
Yeah, but yeah, definitely the Smith one tastes like infinitely better.
Have to agree.
Yeah. This is, I guess, a bit disappointing, but then this is just way much better. The Smith's one.
And the last snacks that you guys will try is fairy bread versus roti bakar.
Fairy bread.
You can see.
Oh, it's so cute. Like,
Ooh, roti bakar. Ooh. Roti bakar. I used to make a lot of roti bakar back in Indonesia, so I have a lot of expectations for this one.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's try the roti bakar.
oh, mine's such a huge piece.
Yeah, it's okay. I usually eat this with my hands.
So hard. You can tell by the texture it's gonna be hard.
I like it. This is what I usually eat at home for breakfast in Indonesia.
Mmm. Pretty good.
Like the cheese is so mushy. But roti bakar in general, I really like them.
I guess the texture of the bread itself, it's really hard. But I think I'm a sucker for like cheese and chocolate. And again, this tastes,
The flavor is good.
the flavor is good. It tastes like back home.
Were you so...
So what are these pearls?
So they call hundreds and thousands. It's a special sprinkles that they use for this fairy bread. And usually they are served at children's parties in Australia.
So you've had these before?
I mean, yeah, but like, I don't like them.
Yeah, I don't like them.
Pick this one.
I'll pick
I
this
think
one.
I'll have
as
to
well.
go with
yes,
roti
definitely.
bakar.
Definitely. We love Indonesia.
Roti bakar, just because it tastes more like
Same.
it has more flavor. I can see why kids like this though, because it's sparkly and it's easy to eat.
I'm a legal adult and I still like this, but I like this one better.
Roti bakar. Roti bakar. Roti bakar all the way.
That actually ends up our video today.
Nice.
So which one do you like the most out of all of the snacks?
That's a hard question.
Roti bakar.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh
I like
wow!
roti bakar.
I like the cassava chips.
Oh really? Oh really?
I would say it's either the terang bulan martabak or
Yeah.
roti bakar.
Yeah, same. Again, I'm a sucker for cheese and chocolate.
Me too.
I would pick the trambulan, but not to say that the roti bakar is like not good. It's just the texture of the roti bakar.
Yeah, it's too hard.
Yeah, it's too hard. But then outside of that, it tastes delicious. Both taste very extra delicious.
Like, what's your go-to Indonesian snack?
I like chicky balls.
I think otak-otak.
That's good.
Gorengan.
Oh,
It's really good. I like gorengan.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Guys, see ya.
Full English.
Yeah, I do not like this. Did you just read a prompt?
Yep, there you go.
You don't like it? I really like it.
Like in the grobak. I don't know what's grobak in English.
Are these brownies? No?
Just explained it to you.